Okay, let's make sure it sees you. Step a little, yes. Yes, that's it, yes. My name is Carlson Brown. I'm reporting for Human Excellence and Economic Development, the Injustice Division. And ma'am, why am I doing this story today? Can you tell me in your own words?
Yes, I was January 24, 2012. I was driving a Memorial Drive, my car. I was driving Memorial Drive a mile before Mullen Avenue, approaching a red light. I was complete stop. All of a sudden, a man driving UBS truck reversed into my vehicle. I was in my car for 10 minutes. After this in state of shock, my mouth was bleeding, my chest, back, neck, and the hair was hurting. I also had pain on my right side below my right breast. I've been having trouble sleeping at night with shortness of breath. I went to the medical center emergency on January 25th, 2012. The doctor prescribed me medications. And I have to miss a week of work. In closing, this accident was not my fault. I feel like this is not right. The right solution needs to prevail.
Yes, ma'am. When you went to court after this incident, what happened?
I was at the court February 16. So I know I'm not guilty. The judge rescheduled my appointment on March 8th. Then no police officer showed up. I was looking for a police officer to show up. So my case is dismissed and nobody showed up except me. And my case is dismissed.
Okay. When the police officer did the report, he had miswrote the report and he did not do the proper investigation because he did not understand her language and her English. So I read the police report and it contradicts her statement to the actual facts that happened, which an open records request will be done on this case where the officer allowed the person who caused the accident to give a false statement. And she gave the statement that she responded that for a vehicle accident or injury to cab rescue, Atlanta, Florida was already at the scene. She's stating that she was still driving and she was at a stoplight, which the open records request will show because in Atlanta all things are recorded everywhere you go. Also, the judge failed to protect her constitutional and civil rights once he understood that the officer did not understand the language of her, plus the officer did not show up for court. So the judge made a judgment based on, he didn't even get the facts to the case. Ms. Abdullah, 4th, 5th, and 2nd Amendment was violated of the Constitution and Bill of Rights, which will be posted on the website. And what did it cost you as a result of these actions by the public officials?
Because the women backed up to UBS track and hit UBS track backed up to me and he hit my car and he totaled my car because she caused the accident. That's where accident occurred.
Yes. As a result of that, what are the insurance company and your medical bills doing?
I went to the hospital January 25th. Then they described me 2 different medications, and I went to the chiropractor, and they give me 3 different medications. It's helping me a little bit, but I still hurt, and I need help. My breast, and my side, below my chest, and my mouth, I've got a hefty, my hair never, and my hair has a problem since I accident to today, so I need help for that.
Okay. Also, her car was totaled in the accident, and the insurance company has not, because of the actions of the judge and the police officer, she fails to get any type of justice or treatment, and they're not wanting to pay the bills. I like to read her statement. I was driving on Memorial Drive on January 4th, 2012, time 6:05 p.m. I was driving on Memorial Drive before Moreland Avenue, approaching a red light. I was at a complete stop. All of a sudden, a man driving a UPS truck reversed into my vehicle. I was in my car for 10 minutes after this in a state of shock. My mouth was bleeding, my chest, back, neck, head was hurting. I also had pains on my right side below my right breast. I had been having trouble sleeping at night with shortness of breath. I went to the CAB Medical Center, to the ER on 1/25/12. The doctor prescribed me medication, and I have to miss a week of work. In closing, this accident was not my fault. I feel like this is not right, and the right resolution needs to prevail. Also, she writes, the women backed up and hit the UPS truck, and then the UPS truck hit my car while I was waiting at the red light. And he totaled my car, Memorial Drive, and before collided. There where the accident occurred. This is totally a violation of all her constitutional, civil, and Bill of Rights. She deserves to have justice in this case. So we're going to be sending this to the Civil Rights Division in Washington, D.C., also all civil rights attorneys in the state of Georgia and around the country. If someone is out there watching, and you know this is not right because she's from another country, and she all her rights have been taken away, and we just want justice. This is Carlton Brown reporting for Human Excellence and Economic Development in Justice Division. And when resistance becomes law, when injustice becomes law, resistance becomes duty. And thank you, and have a blessed day.